all, welcome to my channel Nutan's Art Gallery. Today I am going to show you how to do the dream catcher. Okay, so before starting the dream catcher, I would like to tell you about the history of the this dream catcher and why we should hang. What is the main purpose behind hanging this in our home? So this dream catcher is originated from United States, and there was a one lady called Siba Kashi, okay, of Ojibwe community in US. She has invented this dream catcher in the year 1929. Okay, dream catcher is mainly used to avoid the bad dreams and the nightmares. And you know, those people are having issues with their sleep. तो यानी रात को नींद नहीं आती है, सारे ऐसे बहुत सारे केसेस रहते हैं, तो उनके लिए ये मेनली बनाया गया है. इन एडिशन टू दैट, फॉर द चिल्ड्रन who cry in the nights because of the nightmare, for them also, from that purpose, to have a sound sleep, she has invented this dream catcher. So this Siba Kashi lady of Ojibwe community, what she did is she made one ring, wooden ring, और उसमें बहुत सारे कलरफुल थ्रेड के साथ उसने वो एक ड्रीम कैचर बनाया. And the main belief of this community was that if you sleep looking at this colorful designs and the structure and the loops of this dream catcher, you can have a sound sleep, and you will have a positive thoughts, and plus in addition to that you can have a positive vibes at the home. So that was their main belief, and say she has invented that. Slowly it was found very useful that other countries also accepted this dream catcher. हम लोग जैसे बनाते थे ना इंडिया में, जब ये पहले 1960 में आया, तो what people were doing is using they were doing the dream catcher with the glasses, colorful glasses mix and match करके लगाते थे. But that was very risky. Suppose ड्रीम कैचर नीचे गिर गया तो फिर you know फूट भी सकता है, ड्रीम कैचर खराब भी हो सकता है, किसी का हाथ को लगे तो चोट भी लग सकती है. So now we have come up with a new idea, that is using the Fevicryl glass colors and the OHP sheet, which is the plastic thick sheet, we can do the dream catcher. Okay, so ये मेन कहना यही है कि हमें ये ड्रीम कैचर अपने बेडरूम में लगाना है. बेडरूम में ऐसे जगह पर लगना है कि आप सोने के टाइम वो सामने अपने होगा, आप उसे सामने रखो या साइड में रखो, कहीं पर भी यू कैन हैंग इट ऑन द वॉल. And that is the main belief behind this, is you should see while sleeping, you should see those beautiful colors, designs वगैरह देखकर, वो structure देखकर आप सो जाओ, ताकि you will have a good thoughts and you will have a sound sleep. So what I feel is everybody should try that. Yeah, so we will start with that. So material which we require is the OHP sheet. Then we need Fevicryl glass colors and some golden color 3D outliner. Okay, so this we can use, and let's start.